Going on YouTube, Lewis from MWK Collision and Restoration Center. Working on this 68 Camaro, doing a complete paint job on it, complete custom paint job. So what I did here, I applied a thin coat of body filler all throughout the roof, nice and even. So I'm blocking it down with this Hog 8-inch DA. So what I'm looking for here now is metal spots. So once I start seeing those metal spots, then I switch over to a straight A file, throw some guide coat on it, hit it with the straight A file. This was a new skin, but I still give it this nice thin coat. That way I can, well, I don't want no surprises when I'm doing my paint job. I don't want no little dings or anything. So it's almost like insurance. Stay tuned. Right now we got this 1969 Cutlass we're doing as well. My man Gavino here, he does the sheet metal work. What he's applying is that rust mortar. We already cleaned it all up. So 24 hours we'll let it sit, then we'll come with a power washer, power wash that off. Throw some 2K sealer primer, 2K primer. Then we'll hit it with chassis black. It's an open house. If anybody wants to come down, check us out. We're at 1921 CR 129 Pearland, Texas 77581. Show you a couple other projects I got going on here. Yes, Gavino. This is a Ferrari we did, complete paint job. Right now we're just doing the West Ham buff on all the car. Like I said, we got the 68 Camaro here. Got a C10 truck that I'm rebuilding as well. This one's custom body work, custom paint job. Put down the music. They don't allow music on YouTube if it's copyrighted. But yeah, it's a C10 I've been working on. Had a lot of sheet metal work. Somebody had already done the metal work. They didn't do it right, so it's my job to perfect it. But we're done with the cab body work, so paint job comes next. That's the bed over there. Got a spray booth for the flawless paint jobs. Got a, let me see, 1947 truck that we're building as well, putting airbags on it. Took it to the frame, shot the frame with a sandblasting machine. We already painted it chassis black. This is the truck right here, the cab. We've already gotten everything down to bare metal. Then we do the bare metal, we do the rust treatment. We throw that 2K primer on it to protect the metal until I get to the body work. But it's a Mustang here that we're also doing a complete paint job on. Bel Air. 1957 Bel Air. This ain't no club, Gavino. Stop it! Stop it! All right, for now, like I said, open house. We're at 1921 CR 129 Pearland, Texas 77581. Like I said, Ferrari. Can't go wrong with us. Now take care.